Namaste and hi. I am here with a very interesting fact from the book. Do you know? Did you have hiccups recently? I have. So, that's today's question. Do you know why you hiccup? Let's find out. Hiccups happen when the muscles in your throat and chest suddenly tighten. This normally occurs if you eat or drink too much or too fast. Most hiccups disappear in a few minutes, but sometimes an attack may last for several hours. Although hiccups usually stop eventually, everyone seems to have a favorite cure. Cures include a sudden shock, holding your breath and trying to sneeze, or even dropping a cold key down the back of your neck. Hiccups can sometimes lead to complication. A really bad attack can starve the body of oxygen and can even lead to death. Thank you.